So today took a major turn in a different direction. We were originally supposed to work on the Nissan Z today, but New Jersey's doing its thing and it's raining today. So I didn't want to work on the Z while it's raining. When it's raining, the vibes just aren't there. So instead, we're going to be working on one of my buddy's cars, and we're actually pulling up to his house right now. You guys have seen this car before. Look at that. So basically what's going on today, instead of working on the Z, we're going to be working on Mike's FRS. He is finally wide-bodying his car. I've been trying to get him to wide-body his car for the longest time. He finally agreed to do it. We got the truck. We're gonna load up the wide-body into the bed. We're gonna go back to the shop, wide-body his car today, and it is gonna be a great freaking time.
Just throw that bitch in there, bro. Wait, let's see the label. Let's see the label.
Straight from Japan, bro.
China.
Huh? China, where? It says Japan right there. I'm not gonna tell you guys what wide body it is just yet, but if you guys have any guesses, leave it down in the comments. What wide body do you think that Mike is going?
That front bumper may or may not be a little hint.
You think that's chilling there?
Yeah, it's chilling.
And if it falls out, just catch it.
It's just fiberglass.
It's just fiberglass, yeah.
Mike got brand new fenders just to cut up. He used to have carbon fenders. He bought brand new OEM fenders just to cut up. We got the front bumper, which may or may not be a little hint to which wide body he's going with. And we got the brand new rear bumper. The car's like mismatched colors, but it actually still looks good. Yo, you might need a motor swap. This shit sounds like it's gonna blow. What the f? Yo, do some maintenance, bro. What the f?
Nah, it's good.
We got the kit loaded up. It comes in so many different boxes. Now we got my little brother's Workmeisters right here, so we can do some test fitting and figure out what wheel fitment that he has to go for with this kit. It's gonna be a good time. Seeing Mike's car made me a little jealous and missed my BRZ, so we came back to home base to pick up the BRZ. Amanda is gonna drive the truck with all the car parts to the shop. I'm gonna take the BRZ, and Mike's meeting us. Are you good? You can just come out.
No, it's raining.
I really wasn't planning on bringing this thing, but you know, why not? But we got the BRZ. Let's let this thing warm up, and then we're gonna head out to the shop and wide body Mike's car. Coming all the way back home just to take the BRZ to the shop while we're wide bodying Mike's car was insanely extra of me. Definitely didn't need to do it, but I think for the video and for pictures and just for the memories, having the BRZ in the background while we're cutting Mike's car is probably gonna look really cool. I remember when Patty came to Jersey and brought his car while we were wide bodying this car. Every time I look back at it, we always see his car in the background while we were cutting mine open, and it's just like a really good memory, and it looked really cool. So I think just for that, coming all the way back home, grabbing the BRZ was definitely worth it. We're gonna drive extremely slow because our triple H's don't grip in the rain, but we're out on the way to the shop to wide body Mike's car. Right now we're just test fitting the kit. Before we go ahead and cut into the car, we want to make sure that the kit fits. It's gonna look really cool. This is our first time seeing the whole car with the kit. You guys can probably tell by now, this isn't a Rocket Bunny kit. He has a Rocket Bunny V2 front bumper. I know that kind of made it seem like he's going Rocket Bunny, but he's actually going Rallybacker, which is awesome because I used to have a Rallybacker BRZ. My old BRZ had a Rallybacker kit. Now we're putting a Rallybacker kit on Mike's car, so this is really awesome. This feels really nostalgic, so I'm really excited. Today we're gonna cut into the car, but before we cut into the car, we obviously have to make sure everything fits. So far, it's looking good. This feels like 3-4 years ago when I was opening up my old kit. Throwback.
If you guys stayed with Bobber since he used to have this Gen 1 BRZ, give a comment below.
This looks almost like my old BRZ. What front bumper is this, bro? Because you went completely different on this front bumper.
Rocket Bunny V2.
You barely ever see Rallybackers to begin with, but personally, I have never seen it in person, and it's so sick that Mike's doing it. It kind of goes together, I'm not gonna lie. The Rallybacker kit has a lot of curves and is really round, and the front bumper is extremely round. They're completely different, but somehow they actually look really good together. I'm really excited to put this kit on the car. So today we're gonna cut into the car. We're gonna actually go ahead and start the molding process because Mike is gonna be molding this kit onto the car just like we did with my BRZ. If you guys remember,
my old BRZ, we only molded the rears.
This time Mike's molding the rear over fenders. The side skirts are staying bolted, I believe, because molding side skirts is just a terrible idea. And then the front fenders are getting molded. I don't know if he's molding that or not. We're gonna start cutting and we're gonna start the molding process.
This is freaking huge, boys. I'm super hyped.
How you feel though, bro? You excited? We're cutting into your car today. Let's get this car in the air, start cutting this thing. We just want to make sure that the kit looks good. This is what you want to do, right?
Yeah.
You sure you're gonna do this? We're totaling your car today, bro.
That's cool.
That's cool?
That's cool.
All right, let's go ahead. Let's start totaling it.
Making sure that we don't f up. I think this is right about where it should go. Honestly, we can just send it and then, you know, we'll go from there. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Mike, give me the okay before I total out your car officially.
Yeah, Scion stock body or no?
It's too late for that.
Oh, damn! Why'd that shit go through like butter like that?
It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Go for it, baby. It's been a couple of hours. We've been working on the car. We're making some good progress. You guys just saw, we cut off the quarter panels, we cut little slits, and we grinded off all the excess. And then we used this aluminum water sealing tape. This is gonna kind of help avoid water getting inside of the car. And then to top it all off, we're gonna throw some heavy duty seam sealer all over the tape. That way, even if he rubs the tire against the quarter panel, nothing's gonna happen. No water's gonna get inside the car.
It's been a long day.
It's about that
but
time.
Your car is wide bodied, bro. Oh yeah, we also decided to change the way we were going about everything.
I told you guys earlier that we were gonna mold the kit on this car. Now we're not gonna mold the kit anymore. We might mold it next year, but we're not gonna mold it this year. We're gonna do hidden hardware. Mike's biggest thing was that he just didn't want the hardware to be seen, so molding the kit would be a great option, but it's gonna take literally forever to mold the kit, so we're gonna hide the hardware for now.
How you feeling about the kit, bro? How you feeling about cutting the car? Your car's totaled. You came in here with a good car, and now you're leaving with it all totaled.
It was in the best hands.
Thanks, man. Let's throw some seam sealer on the car and get it going. Seam sealer is on. Now we just have to give it about 24 hours to dry.
It's a great time. It's 1 a.m. and we're all really tired. We're gonna head out and then we'll probably just come back and check on the car in the morning because Mike can't drive it back home right now. It's wet outside and we can't get the seam sealer wet. I'll catch you guys in the morning. We borrowed Amanda's Meisters for this quick little shoot. The car is like, it's not really together. We kind of just threw this temporary screws in for the meantime because we still have to do a lot of bondoing, a lot of fiberglass and all that good stuff to make everything work. But this is just kind of what the car is gonna look like. And bro, like even while it's all mismatched and everything, it looks so good. I'm really proud of Mike. He's over there geeking out over a Denali, but I'm really proud of Mike because he stepped out of his comfort zone, finally wide-bodied a car after I tried to convince him for like months to do it. And not only did he wide-body a car, bro knocked it out of the park. He got a Rallybacker V2 kit with a Pandem V2 front bumper. This car is actually gonna be fire though, a 1 of 2 kit. How does that feel?
The truck is next, bro.
The truck is next? That truck would be fire pulling this car.
Yep.
That would be gas. That would be pretty gas. But dude, 1 of 2 kit is actually insane. Congratulations, you're officially wide-bodied. Anything else you want to say to the camera before we sign off?
Thank you, brother.
I got you, bro. We're gonna keep building this car. Right now, we are working on the Z. That's why I look like this.
It's been a long day. Been a really long day. We are gonna end it off right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.